What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. Today we have a drop fade, slick back. I already cut the top. I already fed the other side. I wanted to take a minute to share my fitting techniques with you guys on this side only. The haircut is very much completed. All I have to do is blend, fade this side in combination with the rest of it. Done. Once again, if you're new to the channel, I'm recommending that you subscribe right now. Also, you can look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati. Let's go! Whatever's going on is very self-explanatory. I don't really have to say too much. This video is being recorded on the job. We are at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. There's a lot going on in the background. Hair cutting everywhere. It's all good. Sure. Do your thing. If you see a lot going on around me that has nothing to do with this haircut, don't mind me, I'm on the job. I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible. I'm pressing for time. Cool. All right. I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with the OA as usual. I usually take about an inch or less. The bottom line is you give yourself enough room to blend. How much space you take is up to you. The rules are not universal. You want to give yourself enough room to be able to do your haircut successfully. The rules are not fixed. Okay, this is my OA, then the 000 at an angle behind the OA. Then the 50 behind the 000. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same steps. Starting with the OA. One more time. I'm going to make this video as quick and brief as possible. We are pressing for time. Triple zero, one more time. The 5-0, one more time. A little bit of Indy's T outliner. Looking for the bottom line. Make sure it's completely out of there. Okay, I'm satisfied. So, alright, moving on. I'm going to move on to my number 2 blade. Create my second guideline. Boom. And my 1.5 below the 2. Yes, sir. Boom. We're done here. With the water. This is my 1.5 below the 2. We're looking good. Ricardo. The 1A below the 1.5. Then the 1 below the 1A. Please. If you see some kids crying in the background, it's our customers. They get excited sometimes. It's all good. This is my 1 below the 1A. Then the OA below the 1. This thing is so easy. Then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps. Thank you, Mama. Step by here anytime. All right, if you hear any other side conversation going on this haircut tutorial, I'm on the job, doing my thing. There's a lot going on beside what I'm doing here. I have to participate. Right now I'm at the blade number 2, working. He does the eyebrows as well. 1.5 coming up, below the 2, just like I did previously. Like that. Then the 1/8, below the 1.5. Oh yeah, this camera is just locked in. This is the closest view possible. So you can see how the Barber Illuminati put this thing together. Then the 1, I'm looking for it. The 1 below the 1/8. Mm-hmm. The 0.8 below the 1. Ok, hasta mañana, sir. The 000. Lastly, hello, sir. Sure. Just wait for him. It's gonna be a little while, but we got you. Sure, no problem. Okay, just for perfection reason, purpose, I'm gonna repeat the blend one more time to make it good. Starting with the 2, by the way. And the 1.5. Just let him take a look. The 1/8. Boom. I think I'm going to stop right there. The other blades are not necessary so far. What I've done, when I repeat the steps for the last time, I stop I didn't include all the blades because it's not necessary according to me. So I'm gonna probably squeeze in a little clip of comb over here. Then we're gonna do a quick spin and we'll wrap it up. Oh my God, look at this. This is awesome work. A little soft clip over comb. So, all right. This gentleman don't wear product in his hair, so there won't be any product. I'll be right over there. There won't be any product added. I'm just gonna do a quick spin, then we're gonna wrap it up. I'm getting a little too excited with this water here. Looking for flaws. I think on the other side, might need to touch it up a bit with some clip over comb. Bear with me. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, comment, like, and share. Once again, this was a Barber Illuminati all detachable blades haircut tutorial. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm going to do a quick spin and we're going to be out of here. Zoom out a little bit. There we go. Boom. I want to show you guys the entire work. Then we out. Josh, hang in there. I got a big project for you. Oh, you can take your boy. All right, I go to spin. As you can see, there's a lot going on in this room. People everywhere. Haircuts after haircuts after haircuts. We are at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. We're putting in work on a Tuesday, May 4th, 2019. On a Tuesday. On a Tuesday. One more time with the spin. This was done with all detachable blades. Stop playing, people. The Barber Illuminati is not messing around anymore. My mess around days are over. Boom. All right. All right, YouTube. This is the cut for the last time. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.